Hey guys, what is going on today? We have a brand new product here from Griot's Garage. It's their spray-on car wash. We're going to be trying it out here on the filthy Prelude. It hasn't been washed in over a month. It's been parked outside. It's disgusting from top to bottom. And I figured because while you guys have a lot of snow up north and we're only in the 50s here in Florida, this would be a perfect time for try it out because I know you guys up there can't pull out the hose and stuff when you have snow on. So why not bring out a spray-on wash? So here we go. We're going to be bringing it around. We're actually going to take it in the garage and clean it. Bit of a backlog here. You're going to see I'd actually done the side-by-side comparison with all the different spray-on washes, and my dumb self forgot to turn on the brand new Rode microphone, so I lost all audio. So you're gonna see sections of it are clean, but then you're gonna see sections that are not. So I hope you guys understand it. Let's go have some fun cleaning the Prelude. All right, now that we're back in the garage, what I want to go ahead and do is show you how it actually can apply it. You're gonna see, maybe you probably will see it, there's actually the stripes in there where it's actually been cleaned. I can't believe I screwed that up. I'm brand new to the Rode microphone. I forgot to turn it on, so I have to redo the whole video again another day. So let's go ahead and do it. Here it's completely filthy. I hope you guys can see this. We're going to go ahead and read off any of the directions and go from there, and we'll show you how it goes. Useful directions: shake well before use, clean from the top of the vehicle down, working in small areas, use on a cool surface, and do not apply in direct sunlight. Well, clearly we're in a cool surface now because it's only I think 50 something or 60 outside today, and we're definitely not in the sunlight. So here we go. Let's go ahead and shake it up and just start spraying it down. Like I said, the car has not been washed in about a month. That's why I did the other video. And like usual, you know, being a rookie myself, I cannot believe I forgot about that. So let's go ahead and try some slickness real quick and see how it is. Very slick, no complaints at all. It has a nice scent, good scent to it. What I'm doing is I'm kind of smelling it to see what it is. I don't know if you can see through here. It's like really streaky because how dirty this car is. You're about to get your mind blown how dirty my Prelude really is. And that's why I made the video in the first place, is to kind of give you guys a generally comparison between all the different spray washes. Check it out. You're going to love this, how dirty this car is. Look at that. The Prelude is disgusting. So what I'm going to do here is go to a clean side here. Just give it one more clean wipe down here. And I'm just going to work my way through the car just like that. A little bit at a time, just keep rotating over my microfiber towels here, and then just buffing it out really with ease. But as you can see so far, so good. It's cleaning it up very nice. So I'm just going to fold it over, wipe it down, go on to the next section, and show you the final results here at the end. But as you can see, so far, so good. I'm not seeing any streaks at all. It just comes off with ease. I see a little bit where I got to just go over it again where it's a little bit damp, but that has nothing to do with the actual streak. It was just a little bit damp that I just haven't made it to yet. So far, so good. Let's go ahead and try a little bit of this so far. Oh yeah, it's nice. Now I can tell I definitely could use a clay bar treatment on the actual paint. The paint's in not the hottest condition right now, but the fact that it actually feels good and is clean is a nice thing right there. So what we're going to do here is off camera, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the whole rest of the car here, get it all spotless for you. We'll roll it outside and show you the final results, and I really do hope you guys like this. Hey guys, welcome back. Time for those final results. What do they always say when life gives you lemons? You turn it into lemonades, and this is exactly what I did here. Because remember, I was doing the side-by-side comparison, and my stupid noob self here with my first time using my Rode mic forgot to turn the mic on, and I know I lost all video on quality audio sound on it. So we went ahead and actually decided to try out Griot's Garage spray-on car wash, and it actually worked really good, as you can see. Hopefully, well, it looks really good in the camera with the brand new high-end camera here. I'll walk around here in a bit. I have zero streaking, zero marks, zero everything. It looks great. I used a couple of microfiber towels. They're completely filthy, as you guys got to see. And make sure you always fold over your microfiber towels a lot anytime you use a spray-on car wash of any type. And make sure you have a lot on hand, so that way if you get any debris and stuff like I did in it, just fold it over and go to a new clean section. That way you do not instill squirrels in it. Kind of like those Armor All wipes that were garbage. That's what you would be getting if you didn't fold it over enough. So let's go ahead and walk around the last bit of it, and I really do hope you liked this video, and hopefully we do have some really good lemonade here at the end. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all at the very next review. Take care. Let's get to it. Alright, let's show you those final results of the rust spot. Oh my god, rust. Oh my god, this came from New York. And show you the final results of it. The car looks amazing. Absolutely stellar here as I go ahead and walk around the car. I'll do the best I can. But look at it in the sun. Look at that rust spot in the sun. Oh my god, why can't you fix that? Why can't you shell out another $1,800? And it just looks really, really good. I am highly impressed with the way things have gone, the way it is. You know what I mean? Just make sure you're using multiple microfiber towels. Fold them over constantly, and usually you'll have a really good example here at the end. And check this out. Look, it looks gorgeous. It looks like I just took it out of a regular wash, and it's no big deal here. So this would be a perfect use for you guys up north. that are getting hit with all that snow right now, and you just can't pull out the hose. It's just nasty right there. I've always liked Griot's Garage products. I've never had an issue with them, and this is just one more I can go ahead and write up and say a great product from there. So guys, if you really did like the lemonade video here that we turned it into, please make sure you get slammed with a huge thumbs up, and make sure you check out all my other videos, subscribe, and I'll see you all at the very next review. Take care.